From light touches to firmer pressure, the lower back is a fertile field for sensory play. Try creating temperature contrasts with ice or heated objects and see how your partner reacts. Remember, this zone is also pleasurable for many men, so you can both explore it together. Finally, we come to the clitoris, one of the most sensitive areas of the female body. Kisses, caresses, or stimulation during the act, especially in positions that allow direct contact, can create intense and unforgettable sensations. Although not all women reach orgasm with clitoral stimulation alone, for many this is the safest way to the peak of pleasure. Test different techniques to find out what works best for both of you. Now we want to know, did you already know about these erogenous zones? Leave your comment, try the tips, and then tell us how your experience was. Thanks for watching this far. A big hug, and see you in the next video. Today, we're going to explore female erogenous zones and how you can stimulate them to intensify your partner's pleasure. Many people limit themselves to the more familiar areas, such as the breasts and clitoris, but in reality, there are several other areas that, when stimulated, can significantly increase the chances of achieving female orgasm. Well, practically any part of the body can be a pleasure zone. Each person has unique sensitivities, so it is essential to explore your partner's body to identify the points that stimulate her most. Once you discover these areas, you can use different forms of stimulation to create even more intense moments. Here, however, we are going to address universal erogenous zones that are sure to leave any woman ecstatic. Hello, and welcome to the channel. Here, we share several tips and techniques for exploring erogenous zones and improving your performance as a lover. If you want to offer even more pleasure to your partner, continue following our videos. Take the opportunity to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any news. The first area worth highlighting is the lips. A well-given kiss can be the starting point for an unforgettable night. Be passionate, delicate, and carefully observe your partner's reactions. Furthermore, taking care of your oral hygiene and keeping your lips soft and hydrated makes all the difference for an even more pleasurable experience. Practice different forms of kissing and discover creative ways to drive your partner crazy with desire. The second erogenous zone, often underestimated, is the ears. The inner part of the auricle has numerous sensory receptors, and the outer skin is extremely sensitive. To surprise your partner, try gently stroking her ears, kissing or nibbling her earlobes, and even whispering something sensual or blowing lightly in her ear. These gestures can give you goosebumps and significantly increase arousal. Take the time to explore this often overlooked region and watch as it embraces the moment. Now, let's talk about the neck, another area full of potential. Many couples already explore the front of the neck, but the back of the neck and back of the head are equally sensitive areas. Kissing, caressing, or even using your nails to cause goosebumps can generate incredible sensations. If you're in a position that allows you to kiss the back of the neck, take advantage. Otherwise, light touches can be just as effective. Test different approaches and see what works best for both of you. The fourth erogenous zone is the buttocks, which many women love when stimulated. Some prefer gentle touching, while others like firm grips, biting, or even bolder stimulation, such as spanking or anal touching. The key is to observe your partner's reactions and, if necessary, ask her directly about her preferences. Communication is essential to ensure that you both make the most of the moment. An unexpected but highly sensitive area is the fingertips. Despite being little explored during foreplay or the act, the fingertips have a unique sensitivity. Gentle touching or even licking your partner's fingers one by one can be extremely erotic. Maintaining eye contact while doing this makes the moment even more intimate. Don't underestimate this region. It can add a special touch to your evenings. The sixth region is the lumbar region, one of the most intriguing areas of the body. The nerves in this area are connected to the pelvic region, making it especially sensitive.